How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model coming in at 399 square feet. And this week, the model is the APH 523. If you're looking for a home that has a loft, it has a large kitchen, a wraparound porch with an exterior wood-burning fireplace, look no further. The APH 523 is the model for you. As you can see right here, you have a lot of countertop space and kitchen space in your tiny home. I mean, we've got full-size appliances in here, minus the dishwasher. It's not full-size, but we're keeping it tiny with Mr. Tiny. You got a little bit of space in there for your dishes, but that's good enough. You got the stainless steel form sink, you got the attachment that pulls out right there, and you got the windows above your sink so you can look out at your exterior fireplace. Right now we've got a table right there. You can lift these windows up, have a serving party right here. You don't even got to go outside, just serve through the window, beverages included. So we got all that right here for you. We also have subway tile going around the kitchen as well, from the countertop up to the bottom of the cabinets. And we have each cabinet finished out on top so you can add decor. And we have the windows up above, transom windows at the top, bringing in the natural light. And you cannot miss the wood accent beams. We got those as well from the kitchen and living area. This is perfect for this home. And you got the open flow right here, and then you come right into your living room. You got your living space. We've got a nice sized couch right here, but you could also do a couch, put a chair, add a couple chairs in here if you like. We've got windows right here to the side, and we've got your entertainment center right across, so you can sit down, mount your flat screen up right there, and just enjoy the rest of your day. And if you guys follow me through, we'll take it back to the master. This has got everything you need. It also is comparable for a king size bed. You come right to the master, you see you got enough room for a king size, and we've got barn doors on your closets. Barn doors right here just slide right open for your hanging space. We've got a 4-door dresser drawer right here in the middle with an opening for you to put your TV as well. And then that flows right into your bathroom. You've got a pocket door separating your master from the bath. And in this particular model, we went with the tiled shower. You'll see right here, step right in. We've got the tiled shower here and an elevated area up above. So for the taller gentlemen that need a little bit more space, you got that. So you don't lose your height in the shower when you come in. And you'll see right here, we've got your linen cabinets up above, drawers down below for all your toothpaste, everything like that. And it comes right through here with another pocket door. So if you have guests over, you close off your pocket door, leave this one open, and close your master bedroom door. And hey, they don't even never have to see your room that you didn't pick up. And I told you guys about a loft. So let's go up there. You see right here, we've got the wood stairs going up to the loft, and you guys follow me up. Now we're up in the loft space of the 523, and the room continues. You see we got an abundance of space up here that you can add 2 king size mattresses, you can add 3 queens, you can add 4 fulls, or 5 twins. Whatever you want to do, you can do up here in this loft space. And you see right here we've got windows on both sides, so anyone up here does not have to worry about getting claustrophobic from seeing, feeling like you're in a cave up here. We got some natural light coming in. And also we have TV jacks over there in the corner, so you can put TVs, have some movies up here, video games, whatever you like to play. But what I like about it is the railing up here. We've got rebar railing. So if you got them grandkids that love to hang and bang on everything, you don't got to worry about it. They can't break rebar unless they're Mr. Tiny himself, if you get what I'm saying. So you ain't got to worry about that. It's built to last. And guys, I want to thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, while I display to you the APH 523. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the videos, let me know how I'm doing, and come into Recreational Resort Cottages and ask Mr. Tony how I can get you your very own 523. And you guys have a nice day.